Are you tired of having low energy, low motivation, and the feeling that nothing you try for fat loss works? Maybe you think that you're too old to start your fitness journey, or maybe you've tried in the past and failed. Probably more than once. Trust me, I get it, and I've coached dozens of clients in the same position that you are currently in right now. And I've even lived it through someone who's very close to me, my dad. See, my dad tried everything. He tried keto, he tried paleo, he tried cutting carbs, but both times the weight came back. Why? Because the methods he was using weren't meant for him. They were meant to sell. See, the thing is, he pushed really hard, too hard, doing hours of cardio, overtraining, following rigorous plans that ended up making him feel sick and uncomfortable. And you know what it got him? Injuries, burnout, and weight regain. All because the system was broken, not him. When we started SweatSphere Fitness, everything changed for me and my dad. My dad was able to lose 25 pounds in only 13 weeks, while at the same time building more strength, more muscle, and more endurance inside and outside of the gym.
Hey everyone, this is Joe. With this program under Josh, he really cares. I've lost over 20 pounds already. I see this as sustainable for the rest of my life. Everything is here, everything is laid out for you. It's just very simple to follow. You do have to be determined, and you do have to have, set your goals. But once you do that, consistency is the key, and it's just amazing.
And on top of that, he eliminated his chronic knee and back pain from over 40 years of sitting at a desk job, working 9 to 5. And we didn't do it with starvation, hours of cardio, or cutting out all the foods that he enjoys eating. We only focused on 2 things: community and education. Most people think that you need more willpower in order to be successful with your fat loss journey, but that couldn't be further from the truth. What you really need is better systems, plans that are sustainable and are specifically tailored to you. I'm sure you've been told a million times that you just need to go harder, eat less, and run more. But here's the truth. If your system isn't designed for your life, you're never gonna stick to it, no matter how much motivation you might have. And that's why we built SweatSphere Fitness, a place for beginners, busy professionals, and people who are just like you, who have tried their weight loss journeys before and failed. But this time, you're going to succeed. And we're about to go over the 4 essentials on how to make that dream a reality. Strength training that meets your goals. No prior experience needed. Nutrition plans that fuel your body, not punish it. Simple systems that actually fit into your life. And community supports that keeps you going, because no one should have to do this alone. And here's the real secret. We don't just sell hype or a 30-day program that's going to get you shredded, because that just doesn't work. Someone who's 300 pounds overweight is not going to lose 100 pounds in 30 days. It's just not happening. I don't care how much Ozempic you're injecting. What we give you is the tools necessary in order to change your body, not just the way you look, but the way you feel and how much energy you have throughout the day and for the rest of your life. And we do this one step at a time, building solid foundations when it comes to fitness and health. So all in all, you have more than just a personal trainer inside your pocket. You have a whole community cheering you on and wanting your success more than you probably want it yourself. Now, it is first come, first serve, so the more people that join the school, the higher that price does have to be, because we can only help so many people at a time. So make sure that you click the join now button and lock in your $47 price point now before it goes up, before so many other members join and take your position. You're not broken, you just haven't had the right support systems until now.